So good morning aviation lovers, how are you guys? My name is Ashish Kumar Sahu and guys I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, after a very long time we are uploading the video. So guys, from past 2 weeks I was quite busy in my work so that I was not able to upload the video. So guys, from now onwards you will be seeing every update regarding the job, regarding the interviews, regarding each and everything. Guys, once upon a time we were the channel who used to update the latest job vacancies. So guys, what I thought is that to give you a brief idea about the latest GD topics which the interviewer are going to ask in the interview. So guys, if you want me to make much more videos regarding the GD topics, that how to deal with the GD topics, how to counter it, what should I say, what should I not say, what should I speak, what should I not speak, each and everything regarding the GD topic. So guys, this is a video where I'll be telling each and every GD topic which are going to be asked by an interviewer in cabin crew as well as in ground staff. Guys, if you're new in my channel, do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell notification icon. Guys, do join my Telegram channel which is free of cost. Link is in the description. Do join it. Please click on the Telegram link where you will get the latest job update, latest video, each and everything regarding the channel Aviation Live. Guys, one more thing is that every day at evening 8 p.m. I used to come live and I used to share the knowledge regarding the airlines industry. I used to tell the secret crux which is going in the airlines interview, and I also used to share lot of things which will help you to crack the airlines interview in one single attempt. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, the first GD topic which is asked in the interview is smart work versus hard work, right? So you have to prepare both the things, smart work as well as hard work. So they will be asking this question, okay, tell me about smart work versus hard work. They can also say that please speak on the topic smart work versus hard work. They can also ask why you choose smart work rather than hard work, and they can also ask why you choose hard work rather than smart work. So you have to be mentally prepared for all these four stuff. Now guys, coming to next thing is that second point is that pollution, right? So they can ask a lot of things, that why pollution in India is increasing day by day. Tell us few steps that how you can stop the pollution. They can also ask what is pollution, what is air pollution, water pollution, something like that. So these are the two topics. Now guys, coming to the third topic, as well as you all know, that is water pollution. Fourth topic is that it's about COVID, right? COVID is in the peak nowadays. Now there's a new Omicron variant. So if you go in the interview, they can ask that tell me how COVID-19 has affected aviation industry. Tell me what you did during the time of lockdown period. Tell me how COVID arises. What is COVID-19? Why it is named COVID-19? Each and everything related to COVID-19 they can ask in the interview. Right? They can also ask a lot of various questions, that what you learned from this COVID-19 period, what you did innovative, what you start doing. They can also ask that how you deal with the situation when the lockdown was going on, what new things you learned when the lockdown was going on, what hobbies you generated when the COVID-19 was going on. So guys, I have said COVID-19. So in this COVID-19, there are next 7 to 8 more topics regarding the COVID-19 which they can ask. Now guys, coming to next. Hello everyone guys, मेरा नाम आशीष कुमार साहू और गाइज मैं हूँ एक्स एयरलाइंस एम्प्लॉय. गाइज मैंने अब तक क्रैक किए हैं 6 ग्राउंड स्टाफ का इंटरव्यू और 1 कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू, और अब तक मेरे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से टोटल हो चुके हैं 100+ सिलेक्शन, जिसमें से गाइज बहुत सारे लोग एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं एज अ ग्राउंड स्टाफ, एज अ कैबिन क्रू, एज अ रैंप एजेंट, सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर, कस्टमर सर्विस ऑफिसर, सारे डिपार्टमेंट हमारे क्रैश कोर्स के स्टूडेंट लगे हुए हैं. गाइस अब तक हमारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से टोटल हो चुके हैं 100+ लोग सेलेक्ट. अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं कौन कौन लोग सेलेक्ट हुए हैं तो आप हम जा सकते हैं हमारे इंस्टाग्राम की आईडी में, जिसका नाम है एविएशन लाइफ _2020, और बगल में आ रहा होगा, आप वहाँ देख सकते हैं. वहाँ पे सारे स्टूडेंट्स के इन्फॉर्मेशन दिए हुए हैं, प्लस अगर आप कभी और उनके वीडियोस भी हैं जो कि इंटरव्यू कंटेंट करके प्लेलिस्ट है, उसमें हमारे उनके सारे वीडियोस दिए हुए हैं. गाइस एक चीज़ और कि आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं हमारा ऐप एविएशन लाइफ, और उसमें बहुत सारी एलिट कंटेंट है जिसे आप देख सकते हैं और बन सकते हैं एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री में ग्राउंड स्टाफ और कैबिन क्रू. गाइस एक चीज़ और कि मैं जो है लोगों को घर बैठे बैठे पढ़ाता हूँ, उनको देता हूँ घर बैठे ऑनलाइन कोचिंग. तो गाइस आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं मेरा ऑनलाइन कोचिंग घर बैठे बैठे और बन सकते हैं एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा और कर सकते हैं दुनिया का कोई भी एयरलाइंस का ग्राउंड स्टाफ इंटरव्यू क्रैक. गाइस मेरे पास है वो सीक्रेट स्ट्रैटेजी, सीक्रेट टिप्स, सीक्रेट ट्रिक्स जिसे आप इंटरव्यू में बोलेंगे और आप हो जाएंगे सिलेक्ट. तो हमारे पास बहुत तरह के क्रैश कोर्स हैं. पहले तो हमारा क्रैश कोर्स है वो 499 रुपये का है, जो कि हमारे ऐप एविएशन लाइफ में अवेलेबल है. आप वहाँ जाके देख सकते हैं, वहाँ बाय कर सकते हैं. दूसरा जो हमारा क्रैश कोर्स है वो ग्राउंड स्टाफ का क्रैश कोर्स, जिसमें आपको ग्राउंड स्टाफ की इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के बारे में पूरा बताऊंगा और आप हो जाएंगे सिलेक्ट। और ये जो है कोर्सेज लाइव चलेंगे गूगल मीट में, जिसमें मैं आपको आमने सामने बैठ के पढ़ाऊंगा और आपका सीवी भी बनाऊंगा। तीसरा हमारा क्रैश कोर्स है वो कैबिन क्रू क्रैश कोर्स, और इसमें भी सेम होगा। और मैंने खुद गो एयर का कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू निकाला है, तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा सारे टिप्स, सारे ट्रिक्स। इवन तो हमारे बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ने कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू भी निकाला है और वो आज के डेट में वर्किंग है एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री में। तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं हमारा कैबिन क्रू क्रैश कोर्स, जिसकी भी सेम फीस है 3000 रुपीज। उसमें बनाऊंगा सीवी और बताऊंगा A to Z चीजें, और बताऊंगा बहुत सारी सीक्रेट ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स। गाइस एक चीज और, हमारा एक और क्रैश कोर्स है। अगर आपकी इंग्लिश वीक है तो मैं और मेरा भाई दोनों एयरलाइंस के एम्प्लॉय, हम आपको बताएंगे कि इंग्लिश स्पोकन कैसे इंप्रूव करना है, क्या क्या चाहिए, कैसे इंग्लिश चाहिए। तो प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग होगी गूगल मीट में, वो और मैं मिलकर पढ़ाएंगे आपको और देंगे प्रॉपर कोचिंग, ताकि आप कर सके अपनी इंग्लिश स्पोकन इंप्रूव। गाइस एक चीज और, कि एक और कोचिंग अवेलेबल है जिसका जो है गाइस वन मोर फाइनल एलिट कोचिंग, की अगर आप वन ऑन वन बैठ के पढ़ना चाहते हैं, वन ऑन वन मेरे से सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करना चाहते हैं, वन ऑन वन बैठ के पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो उसका भी एक क्रैश कोर्स अवेलेबल है जो कि जिसकी कॉस्ट है 10,000 रुपीज। तो आप वो भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। तो हमारे पास हर तरह के क्रैश कोर्सेस अवेलेबल हैं, फ्रॉम 4,999 to 10,000 रुपीज। So guys, this is the best time to join the airlines industry. This is the best time to join airlines industry. This is the best time to crack एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री का ग्राउंड स्टाफ का इंटरव्यू, कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू। गाइस मैंने एक चीज देखी कि बहुत से इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो हैं 1.5 से 2 लाख रुपए चार्ज करते हैं, तो मैंने देखा कि बहुत चीज़ें गलत हो रही है। गाइस एक चीज़ और, कि इस चीज़ से इस किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप घर बैठे बैठे खुद से तैयारी करके भी इंटरव्यू निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको चाहिए प्रॉपर कोचिंग, प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, और चाहते हैं इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना, तो गाइस फटाफट से भेजिए मैसेज मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर, जो कि 7999508444, और फटाफट से क्रैश कोर्स में एनरोल कीजिए और ज्वाइन कीजिए हमारा क्रैश कोर्स। और हर संडे मैं आता हूँ लाइव, हर संडे गाइस, हर संडे कंडक्ट होता है लाइव वेबिनार, जिसमें आप पूछ सकते हैं डाउट्स एंड ये सब चीज़ें। और डेली रात के मैं आता हूँ गाइस 8 बजे लाइव, तो यूट्यूब में मेरा लाइव सेशन अटेंड कीजिए और ज्वाइन कीजिए हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल भी, जिसका लिंक दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। तो गाइस दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द वीडियो, और वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। जी दी टॉपिक इज दैट द स्कूल लाइफ वर्सेस कॉलेज लाइफ। तो इफ दे से स्कूल लाइफ वर्सेस कॉलेज लाइफ, so you have to elaborate that in school life we used to have games period, but in college life we don't have any kind of games period, something like that, right? In school life teachers, they used to treat us in very well mannered way, and in college life there's nothing like that. In school life we enjoyed a lot, but in college life we studied a lot. You can also say a lot of good things, that in school life we used to do prayer, in college life there was no prayer, something like that. Depend on school to school, depend on college to college, depend on different school, different college. So you can say this kind of things, that what you did in school life and what you did in college life. Now guys, coming to next topic is that any airlines which you're going, for example, if you're going for Qatar, if you're going for Emirates, if you're going for Indigo, if you're going for SpiceJet, if you're going for Go Air, any airlines you're going, the first question they will be asking is that why this airlines? Sometimes they used to conduct GD round, and sometimes they used to ask why this airlines directly. So इससे क्या होता है, they can check two things. First thing they can check is your communication skills. Second thing they can check is your knowledge. So being an HR of a company, it's very easy to find out what kind of person you are and how much knowledge you have, right? So these are the sixth topic. Now guys, coming to the next topic is that they can also ask that about your state. For example, you have came to Delhi to give the interview, something like that, or the interview is going to conduct at Visakhapatnam. So they can ask, okay, now tell me about the Visakhapatnam, something like that. Or they can also ask, okay, you are from Raipur, okay, tell me about Raipur. So you can say anything. Guys, be mentally prepared when the GD is going on, and they can ask lot of things. Lot of things are there, how to prepare GD topics, and how to counter, what you should say, what you should not say, if you're underconfident, overconfident, something like that. If you're not able to speak, guys, so you can join my English spoken crash course, where I used to give coaching to crack the airlines interview. Guys, me and my brother is an airlines employee, and I used to give coaching to crack the airlines interview. So we will be coaching you how to be well mannered, how to crack GD topic. Guys, I have cracked a lot of interviews, and every time the GD topic was there, I prepare for Army, Air Force, Navy, and every time I was the elite of the elite member who can crack and who can go through the GD topics. So if you want a full-fledged preparation regarding GD topics, if you are not getting selected, and second thing is, if you want much more better guidance to crack the airlines interview, we coach students, so do join the crash course, guys. So now coming to next thing, they can also ask that about your college. Tell me something about your college. So if you want the answer of all these GD topics, I will suggest you that do join the crash courses where you will be getting each and everything, each and every brief idea regarding how to and what to speak when it comes to the GD topics. Now guys, coming to next thing is that they can also ask about your favorite place. What's your favorite place? Right? So you have to speak on this topic about your favorite place. It can be it can be anything. For example, many people used to say that Paris is my favorite place, France is my favorite place. So do so ever what your favorite place is. Right? So ये चीजें हैं. And I will be updating one more course regarding the GD course where I will be discussing the answer of each and every question, what you should say, what you should not say. Yeah, this course is available in the channel Aviation Life. Today it's not uploaded, but after 7 days, one new crash course is going to be uploaded in the channel Aviation Life, where it will be dealing with all the GD topics which are coming in the airlines interview. That session will be recorded. You can go and you can watch it. Now guys, coming to next GD topic is that sometimes, or most of the times, every time they used to say, okay, offline education, tell me something about offline education versus offline education. You can say like this. So you can say various kind of good things about online education, about offline education, right? You can tell in very brief what is online education, what is offline education. You can give your opinion also, that which is better, which is not better. So guys, these were the few GD topics which are basically which are asked in interview. I have told the GD topics to you. So what you can do is that you can search in the internet, you can give your opinion, you can take idea from the internet, you can take idea from the YouTube and all. You can also download my app Aviation Life, where you will be getting the answers of all this content with a very minimum price. Right? With a very minimum price, I will be giving my all 8 years of interview experience that will be helping you that what should you say in GD topics and what you should not say. Right? So this was all about, guys, GD topics. Many more topics are there, right? Many more topics are there, and next video will be for the crew. I have a lot of topics that will be helping you to get better idea, better perspective regarding the GD topics. Right? So guys, this was all about the video. If you like this video, please do press the like button, please do press the bell notification icon, and from now onwards, guys, Aviation Life again begins. So guys, this was all about the video. Tab tak ke liye guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar and Jai Hind to all. Well, hello everyone, guys. My name is Ashish Kumar Sahu, and guys, I am an ex-airlines employee. Guys, one more thing, that before moving the video further, let me make few things clear that I have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew interview. Guys, one more thing, that we used to provide professional coaching to crack airlines interview for ground staff and for the cabin crew. Guys, one more thing is that from till now, it's 1 year, and till now we have 100 plus selection from our Aviation Life Institute. So guys, if you also want to join airlines industry, and if you want to crack the airlines interview for cabin crew, for ground staff, for ramp agent, for security executive, for customer service, load and trim, air ticketing, guys, anything, guys, we are enough capable to provide any kind of coaching to you. So guys, if you want to crack the airlines interview, if you want to join Aviation Life Academy, if you want to crack the airlines interview with a very limited cost, very limited fees. So guys, what I've saw that outside institutes are charging 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. We are providing just 3,000 rupees, and we are giving you coaching. And guys, till now we have results also. We have 100 plus selection. A lot of students have joined the crash course. They are working in the airlines industry. So guys, if you want to join the crash course, a lot of various courses are available. For example, the first crash course is of 499 rupees, which is for 7 days, and you can access that crash course by our app, that is Aviation Life. You can download our app Aviation Life and you can access that course. Now guys, coming to second course is the most popular course, that is the ground staff crash course and the cabin crew crash course. The fees of both the crash course is 3,000 rupees. One more video will come where you will get a very good knowledge of what are the things will be available in these courses. And guys, I will be teaching you A to Z things. कि कैसे form भरना है, how to fill the form, how to apply, how to grooming, how to answer smartly in interview, what things you should hide in the interview, how to make your CV. That's the most elite part. How to make CV, what things you have to showcase in your CV, what things you should hide in your CV. And guys, one more thing is that CV will be made by an ex-airlines employee, and by those who have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew. Guys, don't forget that we have 100 plus selection in an airlines industry, and all the people are working in the airport. So you can go to airport and you can see that they are working or not. So guys, this is all about the thing. Now guys, coming to we have next crash course is about the one-on-one personal coaching. So guys, if you want one-on-one personal coaching, I will be giving you one-on-one personal coaching and telling you all the secrets, will revealing each and everything to crack the airlines interview in one single attempt. Guys, we have 100 plus selection, don't forget. And in one-on-one personal coaching, I'll be telling you each and everything. So guys, we have 3 type of coaching, that is 499 for 7 days crash course in our Aviation Life app. That is a recorded lecture and all the things will be available. Second crash course is of rupees 3,000 rupees. It's a ground staff crash course and cabin crew crash course, in which I'll be making your CV and I will be coaching you professionally to crack the airlines interview. Now guys, the third crash course is of 10,000 rupees, and in that I'll be giving you one-on-one personal guidance daily for 1 hour. And the next crash course is a spoken English crash course, where you'll be learning with the airlines employee. Will be telling you how to improve, how to work on your spoken English, what you have to say, how you have to say, in what manner you have to say. Each and everything will be telling you personally in Google Meet. So guys, that's a class of a proper spoken English class. So guys, we have all these 4 crash courses available. So if you want to join, do send me a WhatsApp message in my number, that is 7999 and do join our Telegram channel, where each and everything will be updated. Guys, the thing is that there will be separate video for each and every courses. So if you want to join, do join fast, because I only teach 30 students. So guys, this was all about the video.